Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can mark map in Genshin Impact. So let me just swim here. You want to press escape and then just like click here on map. And now you just want to like, I don't know, click here. And you can have option to choose like this one, whatever, like food or mining, right? And yeah, and then press confirm, and then I could see it here and I can delete it. So yeah. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And goodbye.